Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by the square root of s on numerator and denominator. Next, s will go inside the square root of this one, and this one. That should be like this. This one divided by s, this one divided by s. Next, we see that when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got 0. This one will go to positive infinity, but we have the negative in here. So you got negative infinity. So 0 minus negative infinity, you got negative infinity. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.